So check this out, Fine USB microphone. Now maybe you're wanting to start a podcast, or maybe you're wanting to look a little bit more professional on your live streams or your video conferences, or even recording yourself playing some music. But the real question I have is, how can something under $100 sound that good, especially compared to the SM7B? The truth is, you're actually listening to it right now. Check 1, 2. Yep, Danny pulled an old fast one on you, and I'm giving one of these away to one of you lucky viewers. And I'll explain all of that later on in the video, but for now, let's get started. Welcome to the channel where I like to review products, and I have a really busy lineup of reviews for a lot of really cool products. So if you're new here, make sure you hit that button, and also if you can reach that one right there, yeah, that's awesome. That actually helps out the algorithm a lot. Or is it my self-esteem? If you need to skip ahead to different parts of the review, time chapters are down at the bottom, and links are in the description, plus a surprise link. And just so you guys know, this is not a paid review, and these are not affiliate links. Fine gave me this to review, and the goal of this is just to see if something at this price can do the job. And throughout this whole review, you'll only be hearing from this mic, the Fine mic that we're reviewing. Let's start with what's in the box. As you can see, you get the K683A USB microphone from Fine, which is actually really good quality. It's metal, it feels nice, it feels solid. It plugs in with USB Type-B. It has a microphone input volume control, a mute button, and a headphone jack on the back. And this will help you monitor your own sound, which can be very important. The cable that comes with it is really thick and it's long, and best of all, it goes into USB-A and USB-C connections. It includes a sturdy microphone stand to keep on your desk, and also has a detachable pop filter, which really helps to control those P, T's, and B sounds in your words. This microphone is compatible with Mac, PS4, and any Windows PC laptop that has a USB-A or USB-C port. You don't need to download or install any extra drivers. You just plug it in, and instantly you can start live streaming, gaming, podcasting, recording music, doing your voiceovers, all that stuff right out of the box. Now, one thing that you want to keep in mind when you have a desktop microphone like this is that any noises you make touching the microphone or the desk will make sounds, as you can see. They do have a shock mount on their website for like $8, or you can install it onto a boom arm like this. So something like this actually makes it a lot better, because when you're touching your desk now, it won't make any sounds, but if you do touch the boom arm, it'll still make sounds. So if you do adjust it, make sure you press the mute button. And now that it's nice and close to my mouth, let me tell you a little bit about the sound quality. The cardioid condenser offers crystal clear audio with minimal background noise. The wide frequency response and diaphragm reproduces every detail of your voice, so you can get great sound whether you're recording vocals, music, or doing a lecture. Hold on, let me try something. Won't you come over again? Won't you come over again and again? I'm gonna turn up the volume as loud as it goes and move back a little bit. I said hi. I said hi. Okay, yeah, so you don't want to go too loud. If you're going to go loud, you got to turn it down a little bit, all right. Oh! Okay, that's still a little bit too loud, isn't it? Oh. So yeah, the idea is you got to really fine-tune the sound as you do it. I suppose it's probably better just to have the microphone down at a certain level. Only have it up if you really want to get that ASMR. So the price for this thing is $57. That's shocking. This is really good. 2-year warranty and free shipping. That's incredible. And you don't even want to know how much I paid for my current setup. And now I'm feeling like it's a little bit overkill for what I do. What? All right, I did mention I was going to give this away, and I'm kind of bummed because I really like this microphone. So I'm a man of my word. I said it on my last live stream where I unboxed things for the month. And you should check that out because, I mean, if you want to win this giveaway, you're going to have to check it out anyways. I'll put a link to it up here and in the description. So here's the deal. If you want to win this, and believe me, you actually have a really good chance at winning it because I'm not that popular. Go to that live stream. Watch it if you can. I mean, it's pretty fun. And you'll like the products because I'm giving other stuff away on it too. And all you have to do is leave a comment saying something nice about the stream and hit the thumbs up button, and make sure you say something about Fine as well. Yeah, so on May 1st, I will draw a name from the comments from that live stream. If you're watching this like way after the giveaway and you're still watching this part of the video, well, you could still be subscribed to this channel because I'm going to be doing a lot more giveaways of all the stuff that's coming my way. There you go. And if you just want to hear me chat and you like hearing my voice talk, you can check my podcast over here and my music channel up there. All good stuff. And check out this next video. I'm putting it right there. Yeah, I just want to keep talking. I like the sound of my voice with this microphone. I'm giving this away. All right, later. See you guys.